Provide the missing data in the following table for a distributor of martial arts products. We've got three different divisions: the Alpha Division, the Bravo Division, and the Charlie Division. Let's begin with the Alpha Division. Sales for the Alpha Division will be $4 million. We can set up our equation for our asset turnover, which is sales divided by assets. When we plug, we have 5 for our turnover. That will equal our sales divided by 800,000, and we get our sales of $4 million. Our net operating income will be $160,000. Our margin equals net operating income divided by sales. We're given our margin of 4% and our sales of $4 million, and we solve for net operating income. Our return on investment is simply our profit margin of 4% multiplied by our asset turnover of 5, or 20% will be our return on investment. For the Bravo Division, our average operating assets are $4.6 million. We take our return on investment of 20% and set this equal to our net operating income of $920,000 divided by our unknown assets, and we solve for assets. Our margin will be 8%. This is simply our net operating income of $920,000 divided by our $11.5 million in sales. Finally, our asset turnover will be 3. That's our sales of $11.5 million divided by $4.6 million in average operating assets. For the Charlie Division, we can solve for sales. Our 7% margin will equal our net operating income of $210,000 divided by sales, and in solving for sales we get $3 million. Our average operating assets we can solve by setting our 14% ROI equal to our net operating income, which is $210,000 divided by our assets. In solving for our assets we get $1.5 million for our assets. Finally, our asset turnover is simply our sales of $3 million divided by our $1.5 million in assets, and we get an asset turnover of 2.